So, my beautiful people, take a look at this oven. We found it in very poor condition, but here at Ina's Cleaning Services, we're about to transform it. The product I'm using today is Shumanit, which I highly recommend. It does about 80% of the work, and for the rest, we go the extra mile to ensure top quality results. Stay with us for more details and videos from Ina's Cleaning Services. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips and transformations from Ina's Cleaning Services. See you in the next video.